Alright guys, we did this earlier in the year. We did a muffler delete on it. He brought it back, he wanted a little bit louder. It's a 2004 BMW 5 Series. So we said, okay, bring it in. And he did. There's the stock converters there and there. Then it's true-dualed all the way back into a factory resonator that we cut off and put a 3-inch pipe in its place, as you guys can see right there. Then ran 3-inch pipe the rest of the way. And there's the muffler delete before. And there's the dual tip we put on it before. There's the resonator we cut off right there. So now it's straight pipe, only cats. That's it. If you guys like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And you know the drill. Sharing is caring, so make sure you guys share. Much better. It was way too quiet before. Again? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 97 now. Again? Yeah, right at 100. Perfect. Go ahead and back it up. Bunch of work to it since then. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Straight pipe. Five Series. Series straight pipe.